Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Bryce, Turf Program Director here at Real Turf Solutions, and I just want to kind of go over a little Tuesday tip today of that core aeration process that we're currently in the middle of starting this week. Core aeration is a very vital process this time of the year as the grass is starting to reach out from winter dormancy into spring green up. I know that the temperatures are starting to creep on up there. These 80 degree days is starting to kind of show the first life kind of signs of that summer that's soon to be here. But currently right now, the temperatures are still kind of cool at night. And so the reason why I like to wait until at least kind of end of April, 1st of May to do our aeration process is to be sure that those temperatures are actually starting to reach that optimum temperature for grass growth. Typically, grass don't really seem to start growing until after soil temps reach above 65 degrees, especially warm season turf, which is the turf we have in this area. So kind of these cool nights kind of help keep that regulated. So as these night temps start to warm up a little bit more, that temperature in the soil layers are going to start warming up some more as well. And so at that point, we start reaching that optimum growth stage. So now is a great time for us to start punching those holes, getting that oxygen, that moisture down into those root zones as it's beginning to wake up for the season. So just kind of give you a heads up also. If you're a client of ours that signed up for the aeration process, we're kind of in the process of doing that now. We started on Monday. It's currently Tuesday, and we're getting that our second day of that started. We've got you on a schedule. We're working diligently to try to get those taken care of. So if you have any questions or concerns with that, please give us a call at the office at 478-988-0043. And as always, we appreciate your business. Thanks for tuning in.